In this video, I will show you how to jumpstart your Arabic language studies using the powerful features of NotebookLM. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking Create New to set up a dedicated workspace for my learning materials. Once the notebook is ready, I want to find some quality online resources, so I'll select the web source and use the Fast Research tool. I'm typing in Learning Arabic Language and hitting the search arrow. NotebookLM quickly scours the web and finds several helpful guides and resource lists, which I'll then import into my project. To clarify some basics, I'll use the chat to ask about the differences between modern Standard Arabic and regional dialects. The AI gives me a clear breakdown of how they are used in different social contexts. Next, I want to tackle the writing system, so I'll ask for a guide on learning the Arabic alphabet and script. The response provides a step-by-step approach to mastering the characters and phonetics. To stay on track, I'll request a full study guide, which generates a 6-step plan covering everything from grammar to cultural immersion. I'll also ask for a list of common vocabulary words and examples to start practicing my speech immediately. Finally, I can move over to the Studio panel on the right, where I have the option to generate flashcards, quizzes, or even an audio overview to reinforce everything I've learned today. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.